for joining us to VRTL's Spatial Sound course. In this video, we're going to do an overview of what you can find in the course and what each chapter is about. So first, we're going to start with what is spatial sound and things you need to know about audio channels and formats and all of that. We also talk about how to think and record spatial sound on set, because VR is a whole new beast, and technically almost everything that works for regular video doesn't work for VR, so important video to check out. And then we'll talk about how to work with spatial sound in Premiere while you're editing your video. Then we'll talk about spatializing your sound. We have two main tools that we're going to focus on in this course. One is the Facebook 360 workstation, and the second one is the Here 360 plugins. We have videos touching both Reaper and Pro Tools. The plugin is the same, but some of the settings, things you need to know. Both systems work on Reaper and Pro Tools. Facebook 360 workstation also works on Uendo, but we're focusing on Premiere and Pro Tools for this course. And after those two chapters, we have a chapter about spatial microphones. We will focus on two microphones in this course. One is the 8-ball Here 360, which is the most professional way to record spatial sound today, and the H2N, which is the most common spatial sound recorder. So kind of two edges of the scale. And then we have a whole chapter full of demonstrations, which I think this is the main goal of this course, because this is actually how we go and do the work. These are real examples from VR projects I made for clients, and we really go step by step. And I think that will really help you understand the method and the workflows and the tools. So definitely worth checking out. Then we have a few bonuses. One of them is an overview of how to make music in virtual reality, which is really cool. And the second one is spatial sound in Unity. This is good for people who are designing games. We will go over Fmod, which is a great tool to organize and manage your sound within the game, but just also an overview of how do we deal with spatial sound within Unity. Okay, so I think you're ready to get started. I want to welcome you again to the course and also congratulate you for being in the forefront of this really amazing and promising medium. The thought of what can we do with spatial sound is just mind-blowing, and you're still at the very forefront of it. So welcome, and see you in the next videos.